If you're overweight and need to lose weight as soon as possible, you probably have a lot of ideas about how to go about it. In fact, there are so many ways to lose weight that you might feel dizzy from all the choices. However, most of these tips and tricks aren't particularly helpful in the long run. We live in an age where almost everyone has an app for that or a blog post on that topic. We are bombarded with information about how to lose weight fast and effectively. However, not all of these tips work for everyone. Some people can lose weight quickly by fasting or cutting back on carbs, but others might find those strategies unhelpful or even counterproductive. Here are some examples. Change your diet. Your diet and eating habits are the foundation of your health and weight loss, so you might have the impression that all you have to do is eat less, move more, and everything will be fine. However, that's not necessarily true. While you might lose weight quickly if you start eating a very restrictive diet, that's not a sustainable way of eating. Eating a very restrictive diet will cause you to feel hungry all the time, which will make it harder for you to stick to your diet. There's no one-size-fits-all diet that works for everyone, but there are some general guidelines that everyone can follow to create a healthy, well-balanced diet. Exercise more. Some people lose weight quickly by starting a rigorous exercise program. This strategy can work, but it's important to remember that you can't out-exercise a bad diet. If you're eating 3,000 calories every day, even if you're burning 2,000 calories, you're still going to gain weight. You can't expect to lose weight if you're eating more than you're burning. Moreover, you don't have to exercise for hours every day to lose weight. You just have to exercise regularly and eat sensibly. Try a fad diet. While we're on the topic of eating habits, let's talk about fad diets. If you've ever Googled how to lose weight, you've likely come across some of the fad diets that promise quick results with little effort. Some of these diets can help you lose weight, but they're not sustainable and might not be healthy long-term. For example, some diets recommend eating only one food item or severely limiting your food intake. This type of drastic diet is not only hard to stick to, but it's also likely to be nutritionally unbalanced. Lose weight fast with supplements. You might have seen ads for weight loss supplements, but most of these are unhelpful or even dangerous. Some supplements can help with weight loss, but they're best used as part of a balanced diet and exercise routine. Some supplements, like Garcinia cambogia, have been shown to help people lose weight, but only when used as part of a healthy diet and exercise routine. There are also some supplements that can help with weight loss, but they can also be dangerous. For example, weight loss supplements containing ephedra can be especially dangerous for people with certain health conditions. Don't skip meals. Some people think that if they skip meals, they'll lose weight faster. However, this isn't true. While skipping meals might help you lose weight in the short term, it's not a healthy weight loss strategy. When you skip meals, your body thinks it's going into famine mode, so it puts your metabolism on hold. This means that you won't burn calories as efficiently, and you could gain weight. When you skip meals, you also have less energy and might make poor food choices, which can also lead to weight gain. Be smart about snacking. Eating several small meals throughout the day has been proven to help people lose weight more effectively than eating 3 large meals. Some people take this to an extreme and snack on almost constantly. However, not all snacks are healthy. In fact, some snacks are packed with sugar and calories. While you should definitely snack throughout the day, you should be smart about it. Choose healthy snacks like nuts and fruits. Conclusion. In conclusion, you can lose weight quickly if you change your diet, exercise more, and try a fad diet. You can also lose weight fast with supplements or by skipping meals. You can also be smart about snacking and be careful about what you eat.